Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else can do like you do. That's why I don't mind spending my life with you. I wanna please you any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you?
I have not been vlogging almost like this whole week. I mean, I didn't do much besides going to work. And it was crazy. It was crazy. But it's Friday. So glad it's Friday. We found this novella on Netflix. Why does this always go to the side? It's supposed to be right here in the front. Like that. Like a little turban. Anyway, we found this novella on Netflix called The Surrogacy, and it's episode 1, and there's already so much drama. We're excited. What are you eating? This is dark chocolate, like me. I like this type of chocolate, like you. Okay, come on, no.
We have a little bit of soda.
You know what she should have done? She should have negotiated some terms before she signed that contract.
This will be our very last chance to have a child because we've only got one embryo left.
Let's go. We're at a ice cream social. So we are getting back in the car from the ice cream challenge, and basically like different charities have ice creams and you get to try them and vote on which one you like the best. So that's what we just finished doing. I need to go to the store because I want to make pina coladas. Somehow we ended up at City Trends. Let me catch y'all looking like I did last time.
I wanted these felines, but they don't have.
Queen. I just don't want.
I need a water bottle too.
Color changing LED shower head. Maybe this would make a shower experience. Look at this, it's a grenade. It's a water bottle, but it's you haven't seen those kind of water bottles? No, it's a grenade. What? That's me. Come on, y'all. Hey. Y'all, come on, hit it. I need another one of these because I threw my other one away because it was always dripping from the lid. This one or this one?
Costco samples. We don't want seasoned.
Yes, we do.
No, we don't.
Yes, we do.
No.
Oh, it is Louisiana. Right. Fish fry. Seasoned. So we got the stuff to make the pina colada. Pina colada. Oh, the way you look at me, I said. Why are you so aggressive?
That's why you in
She said, cuz, go get my allergy medicine to go home. Now I'm back to school.
Danger is very demonic.
July 4th was literally yesterday. Why are we already talking about back to school?
I'm not gonna ask. When the gospel song hit just
This is like my vlogging spot is right here on this counter. But anyway, it is Monday. I got home from work a while ago. I have just been editing my what I eat in a week vlog. Back then, that week, I was doing a vegetarian during the week and meat on the weekends, and it was really eye-opening to see like how my body performs with just having like no meat during the week and stuff like that. And I did really well. I enjoyed it, but I am going to go back to intermittent fasting, mostly because we did not get any tofu at the grocery store, so I don't want to have to like stress about what I'm gonna eat and figure that out. Drove myself crazy this morning because I had to make a dentist appointment, which I did successfully. I tried to make an eye appointment, clearly, but that did not work out because whenever I called the eye insurance company, they said that they don't have my insurance on file, like my policy doesn't exist. And I'm like, no ma'am, I've been paying since December, like something's not right. So she's like, you need to call your employer, blah blah blah. So I'm currently going through that situation, hence the glasses. Thanks to the brand that I partnered with for a TikTok campaign, I have like 6 different pairs that I can kind of mix and match of glasses, and they have my prescription in them, so I am so grateful for that. Shout out to them. I will leave the information in the description box along with a code, so if you are a vision impaired baddie, you can go get some. I got a package, 2 packages today. My Ipsy bag came in, and then also from Kiala Greens. I have acid reflux pretty bad, so most pre-workouts that I know of and energy drinks that I know of contain citric acid, and I cannot have that. So I was very happy to notice that Kiala does not have that. Oh, I got a little Kiala mixer. It's a pre-workout. It is Rocket Pop flavor because they were out of a lot of their pre-workouts, so that just tells you how good it is. Helps with energy, focus, endurance, performance, recovery, and pump. Let me check their ingredients one more time so that I'm not misquoting myself. Yeah, I am not seeing citric acid, which is very encouraging. So here's my Ipsy package. A refreshments refill, which I meant to cancel because I already have like 2 of these unopened. Ipsy bag. I really like this bag. It's super fat. The first thing that I got was Head Candy Lip Butter. I'm definitely going to be keeping this in my purse because it's summer and who has time for dry lips? Not me. Ooh. It's giving kissable lips. I ain't kissing nobody, but oh my gosh, this smells so good. And then I got a Wing Me number 7 brush. I like it. This is Nia Blend. It's a concealer. I'm pretty sure this is the cleanser that they sent me from Keys Soul Care Golden Cleanser. It has turmeric in it, so I'm excited for that. Then last, I got this eyeliner in the shade Black Onyx from the Liquid Curve. I'm a bathroom type of girl, so when I go somewhere they have a nice bathroom, it's a 10 out of 10 for me.
Did you order the food?
Let your edge out to some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out?
We are about to go on a field trip. Just pulled up to my job. We're going to a water park, so I am excited. I love water. Any last words?
It's hard about just Gucci. Yeah.
Ah! She said it's harder than a witch's coochie. Let's go.
My glasses. Oh my god.
Gio.
What's up?
He's so cute. I can't show you though.
I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so
Ezekiel got scared.
I'm holding a Gio running around looking for everybody else. I only had one other kid with me. I was like, where are all these kids at? Water has the hair giving though. Here comes. Good afternoon. It is Thursday, Friday Junior, and the water park yesterday was fun. I think that was my favorite field trip, honestly, because I thought that because I have 6 and 7 year olds and 5-year-olds in the mix, that I would not be able to, don't mind my socks, that I would not be able to actually like enjoy and get in the water. I was like, we're gonna be in like 2 feet of water the whole time, but we weren't. There was like a kiddie area, basically like a pool, because there was big kids in there too that they could play in. It went up to like 3.5 feet, so we played in there, and then we took them to the lazy river, which was also like 3-ish feet. I had a 5-year-old with me, and he refused to get in the water. Like, he was holding onto the stairs for dear life, so I can't leave the other kids, obviously, so I had to carry him through the whole river. And I was looking around like, okay, where did everybody go? Because they all kind of like swam off without me. So eventually, after like the 2nd lap, I was about to be on my 3rd, I got out and just kind of like waited for them to come around one by one, and they were in groups together, and they were with another teacher. And so we all got out, and then we went to like this kiddie area that has like a large bucket that dumps on you. If you've been to Bahama Beach, you know. But or honestly any water park, but the bucket that dumps on you, and then there was a whole bunch of like little kiddie slides and stuff like that. So it was like a cute little area for them to kind of roam free, but us still be able to see them and for them to enjoy. So we did that, and then we went back to the pool because that's where all our stuff was at. They played in the water for a little bit longer. We all changed, got back on the bus, and then when we got back, it was time for them to go home. So it was nice. Hormonal breakout 0. My skincare 1. I put it in all the areas that I tend to get hormonal breakouts, and I already have one right here, as you can see. I'm honestly not doing much to get ready for work today because we're gonna see the Barbie movie later, so I'm gonna do my makeup and get dressed and all that cute for that. She's in her pink, I'm in my pink. This one's rebellious, but we're gonna go see Barbie. So crowded. Like, when we were picking our seats this morning, the only rows that were available were the first 3 where we could all sit together, all 3 of us. About to go hiking. We don't come every Saturday, but we try to.
I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Maybe you can get
No.
What does that even mean? Getting better. Now I'm keeping it. Oh, it does make sense.
Say hi. Going up the stairs is the hard part, so we just finished doing that. Take a little break.